Viewers, today latest update about war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and the Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army in Ethiopia. According to the sources, a heavy war between the Ethiopian government army that is being attacked by the Amhara militias and Oromo military forces and Tigray Oromo Liberation Army and TPLF is going on between Shawarov and Debre Birhan and the military allies are now in place. Shawarov, which is on the north side of Addis 220 km, between Debre Birhan, which is 130 km from Addis. Because the enemy between Athi and Semdi, between Semti and Shawarov, the Tigray Defense Force Army and the Oromo Freedom Army tried to disrupt the movement. The Tigray Army and Oromo Freedom Forces have dispersed the majority of the forces that were deployed in this area. Tigrayan Army and the Oromo Freedom Army that survived the demolition are being surrounded by the enemy army that understood Shawarov. Tigray Army has controlled the capital city of Mens and Gishin, Mehelmida. In addition, Tigrayan Army is heading to Merhabit by controlling the Virilo front Diglo city. And viewers, according to the latest news is that Tigray forces control the city of Mehelmida, which is located in north of Shoa. The Tigray Defense Forces have taken over the town of Mehelmida. The Tigray Defense Forces has taken control of the town of Mehelmida according to Dennis Devine. Mehelmida is the administrative center of Mensgira Midir in Amhara region. And viewers, according to the many sources, Tigray Defense Force take Mehelmida. The Tigray Defense Forces Central Command has told that they have taken control of the town Mehelmida. Mehelmida is an administrative center of the Mensgira Midir Worida in the Amhara region. On the other hand, Getachew Reda said that Chief Obasanjo was in town as part of his efforts to seek peaceful solution to the war in Ethiopia. He had extensive discussions with President Bresson on ways forward. It's our hope and expectation that there is now a clear understanding of what the people and army of Tigray are after in their advance on the capital Addis Ababa. Bresson has also outlined to Chief Obasanjo what he thinks it takes to get the Abiy regime to realize that he cannot shoot his way out of the crisis he has landed the country in. They both agreed to continue to engage in the pursuit of peace and stability in the country. President Bresson expressed readiness to continue to cooperate with President Obasanjo in the latter bona fide efforts towards peace and stability in the whole. So here this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.